So what's up? Kumusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So nandito tayo ngayon sa may MotorStar Baliwag branch para sa update natin. At meron silang bagong unit ngayon na nilabas. At ito yung panibagong version ng MotorStar ZX 110. So alamin natin yung presyo at yung specification kung sulit nga ba ngayong 2025. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Walk around na natin. Ayos na ayos yan.
Hunger inside of me, violently scratching and clawing. The scars multiplying. I need something more in this life. It ain't finding me. Fuck it, I'm done being silent. You see, I need purpose. A reason to think that it's all fucking worth it. A reason to wake up and live in this circus. A reason to fight all my visceral urges. Growing up, never felt like I fit in. I still don't, but it's better when I get wins. On stage, looking out at my best friends. We gon' get real loud till the night ends. I get pissed that I still don't have a top 10. It's a fucking boys club at the top then. Like I bracket haze just to get in. I ain't doing that shit, I don't pretend. Yeah, I wanna be the best. Always had a drive that I had to beat the rest. Yeah, put me in the game when there's only seconds left. When the game's on the line, yeah, you see me at my best. I can feel it in my heart when it's beating on my chest. That's when I lock in, getting better every breath. That's when I'm all in, I can handle any threat. I ain't never second guess, I know I could be the best. Let me tell you what I know about life. Yeah, the more that you push and the more that you fight is the more that you learn. What you got deep inside is the more that you learn. And you'll find out why. It wasn't ever that cool to be a try-hard, but all the cool kids didn't make it that far. It doesn't take education, it takes smarts. It takes fucking hard work and a full heart. They ain't see the work that I put in. They just see a rock star with a big grin. That's cool, I don't need recognition. I just wanna be free, that's a must win. Try me in a race, I'ma dust them. If the money hot and tell them I'm a bustin'. I don't understand, hate all the fussing. Get a job, get a life, go do something. It's 5 a.m., ain't nobody see the work that I'm.
So yun nga, nakita na rin natin itong bagong ZX 110 at yung new version ngayong 2025 nilabas na nga po ni MotorStar itong bago nilang ZX 110. So hindi ko lang din sure kung meron ba silang 125 na ito, pero 110 at meron itong tatlong kulay. Meron silang kulay black, blue, and red. Itong nasa harap natin ngayon. So ano nga ba yung mga nagbago rito? Umpisahan natin dito sa kanyang headlight. Okay, dati naka-halogen bulb siya. Ngayon, naka-projected fog and meron siyang daytime running light dito na LED na rin. Okay, at yung pangalawa na nabago rito, meron na tayo digital panel. So, dati naka-analog yung kanyang panel. Ngayon, is naka-digital na siya. At pangatlong nabago rito, yung kanyang mga decals. Ayan. So, meron aggressive decals ang nilagay dito. And another na binago, hindi pa natin sure kung alin pa nga ba. So ikutan natin yan mamaya para at least comment nyo naman sa baba or sa comment section ano ba yung mapapansin nyo na mga binago dito sa motorcycle na to. Pero yun na nga, bukod sa headlight niya na mas aggressive tingnan, meron tayong panel gauge na digital and then aggressive and talagang yung design ng kanyang decals is napakaganda nung ginawa nila dito. So, ayan, very aggressive yung looks niya. So, sa kanyang mugs is naka tayo rito, naka tube type pa rin naman tayo rito, pero pwede nyo i-tubeless siya kasi nga naka mugs tayo rito at meron tayo malaking disc brake dito sa harap. Okay, so dito naman din sa likod, meron din tayong mugs, naka drum brake tayo rito, dual shock yung kanyang suspension, and then ito ay naka 4-speed yung kanyang gears. Okay, so upuan natin para sa 5 na kagaya ko. Kung gusto nyo kumuha ng mga ganitong motorcycle, okay, ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya kapag naka-side stand. Upuan natin. So, yan, napapansin natin dito is bukakang-bukaka. Pero manageable kasi magaan yung motor, magaan naman siya. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura natin dito. So, naka-upright position tayo rito. Meron din tayo space dito. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng bracket. Yung iba may nabibili sa Shopee or sa aftermarket. Meron tayo dito na bracket, no? Para dito. So, sa turning radius, malawak din. Malawak din yan. Okay, sa shock na sa harap. Sobrang lambot ng shock na ito. Sa likod, ayan, medyo matigas ng konti. Ayan, so pwede nyo naman din palitan yung shock kung gusto nyo ng mas malambot. Okay, marami din naman mabibili sa aftermarket niyan. Okay, so mas magagandang suspension. So itong ZX is talagang parang parang smash Okay, dun siya talaga parang inspire. Okay, doon. So, maganda rito yung cockpit niya rito. 'Di ba? Yung design niya rito, parang mas gumanda lalo. Nag-iba yung texture dito sa side ng kanyang panel gauge. So, ayan. Sa ating OBR, yung upuan, makapal yung kanyang foam, pati yung upuan sa atin. Yan, ito yung magaganda sa long ride. Okay, ayan, ganito naman ang itsura natin kapag nagra-rides. Very comfortable. Oh, komportable lang, no? Yung rides natin dito. Okay. So, OBR, dito yung kapitan, itong grab bar. So, ayan, sa tingin nyo, sulit nga ba yung upgrade para dito sa ZX110 ng Motorstar? So, comment nyo naman yun sa baba at para sa mga gustong bumili ng ganitong motorcycle, pwede nyo akong i-PM or i-message nyo yung ating Facebook page na iMark Moto 2.0 and subscribe nyo na rin yung ating YouTube channel na iMark Moto. Okay? So, ayan. Sa tingin nyo, sulit nga ba? So, center stand natin. Center stand, magkaan din siyang center stand. Napakagaan ng motor. Ayos.
Putting in something deep inside a thirst. I can feel it in my skin. Look around me, it's a curse. Think I'm losing all my friends. And overnight success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this anger inside of my veins, pumping adrenaline when I feel pain. I don't know why I was born with this. I feel so torn and shit, I can't ignore it, yeah. I wanna punch till my knuckles are bleeding. I want